Welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to unlock the beauty of the Portuguese language. By mastering just a few key phrases, you'll be able to navigate everyday conversations, connect with native speakers, and experience the culture in a whole new light. Today, we're going to cover the top 50 conversational phrases in Portuguese. These phrases are your building blocks, your linguistic tools to understanding and being understood. Get ready to impress with your newfound language skills. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Bom dia. That's how you say good morning in Portuguese. Let's try that again. Bom dia. As the day moves on, greet people with boa tarde, which means good afternoon. Let's try that again. Boa tarde. As evening descends, wish someone boa noite for good night. Let's try that again. Boa noite. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more phrases. Chapter 4. Hola, a simple hola is your friendly hello at any time of day. Let's try that again. Hola. Chapter 5. Como vai? Show you care by asking como vai, meaning how are you. Let's try that again. Como vai? Chapter 6. Tudo bem? Another way to ask how are you is tudo bem, literally everything well. Let's try that again. Tudo bem? Chapter 7. Obrigado a. Express gratitude with obrigado, masculine or obrigada, feminine for thank you. Let's try that again. Obrigado a. Chapter 8. Por favor. Por favor is your polite please in any situation. Let's try that again. Por favor. Chapter 9. Disculpe. If you need to apologize, say disculpe for sorry. Let's try that again. Disculpe. Chapter 10. Sim. A straightforward sim means yes. Let's try that again. Sim. Chapter 11. Now. And now is your go-to for no. Let's try that again. Now. Chapter 12. Talvez. When you're unsure, say talvez, meaning maybe. Let's try that again. Talvez. Chapter 13. You now entendo. If you're lost in translation, say you now entendo for I don't understand. Let's try that again. You now entendo. Chapter 14. Voce fala inglês? Ask voce fala inglês to find out if someone speaks English. Let's try that again. Voce fala inglês? Chapter 15. Onde fica o banheiro? Locate the restroom by asking onde fica o banheiro. Let's try that again. Onde fica o banheiro? Chapter 16. Quanto custa? Inquire about prices with quanto custa, meaning how much does it cost. Let's try that again. Quanto custa? Chapter 17. You gostaria de. Use you gostaria de to express I would like. Let's try that again. You gostaria de. Chapter 18. Pode me ajudar. Request assistance politely with pode me ajudar, meaning can you help me? Let's try that again. Pode me ajudar. Chapter 19. Eu estou perdido a. If you find yourself lost, say eu estou perdido for masculine or eu estou perdida for feminine. Let's try that again. Eu estou perdido a. Chapter 20. Qual é o seu nome? Ask someone's name with qual é o seu nome. Let's try that again. Qual é o seu nome? Introduce yourself with meu nome e, followed by your name. Let's try that again. Meu nome e. Chapter 22. Praisarem conhecê-lo lá. After introductions, say praisarem conhecê-lo masculine or praisarem conhecê-la feminine for nice to meet you. Let's try that again. Praisarem conhecê-lo lá. Chapter 23. De onde voce e. Inquire about someone's origin with de onde voce e, meaning where are you from? Let's try that again. De onde voce e. Title. Yusu de. Respond with yusu de, followed by your country or city. Let's try that again. Yusu de. Ask someone's age politely with "Cuántos años vocetem?" Let's try that again. ¿Cuántos años vocetem? State your age with "you tenho años." Filling in the blank with your age. Let's try that again. "You tenho años." Inquire about siblings with "Voce tem irmãos?" Let's try that again. "Voce tem irmãos?" "You tenho irmão, uma irmã." Say "you tenho irmão" or "you tenho uma irmã." Let's try that again. "You tenho irmão, uma irmã." Voce é casado, sar é. Ask someone's marital status with "Voce é casado?" or "Voce é casada." Let's try that again. "Voce é casado é." "You sou solteiro / casado / é." Respond with "you sou solteiro," "you sou solteira," "you sou casado," or "you sou casada." Let's try that again. "You sou solteiro / casado / é." Ask about children with "Voce tem filhos?" Let's try that again. "Voce tem filhos?" Say "you tenho filho," son, or "you tenho uma filha," daughter. Let's try that again. "You tenho filho, uma filha." Inquire about someone's profession with "Qual é a sua profissão?" Let's try that again. "Qual é a sua profissão?" Yusu, state your profession with "Yusu" followed by your profession. Let's try that again. "Yusu." Voce gosta de? Ask "Voce gosta de?" to find out if someone likes something. Let's try that again. "Voce gosta de?" "Io gosto de." Express your liking with "io gosto de" followed by the object of your affection. Let's try that again. "Io gosto de." So, let's talk about hobbies. How do you ask someone about their hobby in Portuguese? You say "Qual é o seu hobby?" Let's try that again. "Qual é o seu hobby?" Now, if you want to share your hobby, you would say "Meu hobby é," followed by what your hobby is. Let's try that again. "Meu hobby é." And if you're curious about whether someone plays sports, you can ask "Voce pratica esportes?" Let's try that again. "Voce pratica esportes?" "You pratico," followed by the sport you play. Let's try that again. "You pratico." "Qual é o seu time favorito?" Let's try that again. "Qual é o seu time favorito?" "Meu time favorito é," followed by the team name. Let's try that again. "Meu time favorito é." Ask "Voce gosta de música?" to see if someone enjoys music. Let's try that again. "Voce gosta de música?" Share your musical taste with "You gosto de," followed by the genre or artist. Let's try that again. "You gosto de." Inquire about someone's favorite food with "Qual é a sua comida favorita?" Let's try that again. "Qual é a sua comida favorita?" "Minha comida favorita é." Reveal your favorite food with "Minha comida favorita é," followed by the dish. Let's try that again. "Minha comida favorita é." "Voce gosta de viajar?" Ask "Voce gosta de viajar?" to see if someone enjoys traveling. Let's try that again. "Voce gosta de viajar?" "Eu gosto de viajar para." Share your travel preferences with "Eu gosto de viajar para," followed by the destination. Let's try that again. "Eu gosto de viajar para." "Qual é o seu destino favorito?" Ask about someone's favorite destination with "Qual é o seu destino favorito?" Let's try that again. "Qual é o seu destino favorito?" "Meu destino favorito é." Conclude by sharing your favorite destination with "Meu destino favorito é," followed by the place. Let's try that again. "Meu destino favorito é." You did it! Great job! You've learned the top 50 conversational phrases in Portuguese. Now you're well on your way to speaking Portuguese with confidence. Let's recap them one more time to solidify what you've learned. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. With dedication and these phrases as your guide, you'll be speaking Portuguese fluently in no